Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about vitamin D3. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient for good health. Vitamin D can be obtained from the sun, meals, or supplementation. You may become weaker, feel extremely tired, experience muscle or joint pain, and develop eczema, a skin rash if you have too little. Depression and high blood pressure are two long-term issues. This video compares vitamin D3 to other forms of vitamin D, discusses the many benefits of vitamin D3, and explains how you can safely get more vitamin D by increasing your D3 intake. Both of these will suffice to meet your vitamin D requirements. Vitamins must first be digested in the liver and kidneys before they can be utilized in the body. While D2 and D3 are very similar, they require different enzymes or proteins to activate and prepare them for use. Vitamin D binds to cells in your body once it's been activated. The vitamin then aids in the regulation of calcium and phosphate absorption from meals. Calcium is necessary for bone health, and phosphate is required for the proper functioning of bones, teeth, muscles, nerves, and other basic bodily functions. Health advantages. Vitamin D3 has numerous health advantages. It enhances cardiac function while strengthening bones and muscles. It also increases immunity, improves mood, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Bones. Vitamin D and calcium work together to keep your bones healthy. Vitamin D is required for the absorption of calcium from food as it passes through the intestines. The body can't obtain calcium from meals if you don't have enough vitamin D, so it pulls calcium from your bones. As a result, bones get weaker, fractures occur, and osteoporosis develops. Increasing your D3 intake through food is very beneficial for achieving peak bone density. The highest amount of bone tissue you can have in maturity is called bone density. The more bone density you have, the less likely you are to get bone weakening disorders. Muscles. Vitamin D appears to help you create stronger muscles as well as stronger bones. Higher amounts of vitamin D have been linked to increased muscle strength in studies. Researchers discovered that persons who consumed more vitamin D had slimmer bodies, higher muscular mass, and better functioning muscles. Mood. Vitamin D deficiency is common in people who suffer from clinical depression. However, it is unclear why this is the case. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to depression. Changes in lifestyle caused by depression, for example bad eating habits, limited time outside, alcohol or drug use, etc., may, on the other hand, result in a decrease in vitamin D levels. Researchers have discovered evidence that increasing vitamin D levels can aid with depressive symptoms. Larger research is needed to further understand the link. However, based on what they've seen so far, researchers are optimistic that vitamin D will one day be utilized as a part of depression treatment. Heart health. Vitamin D deficiency raises the risk of heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, and heart attacks. D3 appears to lower the risk of heart failure in persons with weak heart muscles by enhancing cardiac function. More research is needed, but D3 might be used as part of a heart failure patient's treatment. Sources of vitamin D3. You can boost your vitamin D levels by taking supplements, getting more sunlight, or eating more vitamin D-rich foods. Although getting enough D3 through diet alone is difficult, eating more of the foods that contain vitamin D3, such as fish, liver, eggs, and mushrooms, is helpful. Vitamin D is measured in international units. Adults up to the age of 70 should have 600 units each day, according to the Food and Drug Administration. Those over the age of 70 should consume 800 units every day. In most circumstances, a daily dose of 600 to 800 units is sufficient. However, some studies suggest that it's better to consume at least 1000 to 4000 units a day for optimal blood levels. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, you might find that there aren't many options here. It's possible that taking vitamins is more crucial for you. Foods that contain D2 can help you get more vitamin D. Supplements. The simplest approach to guarantee you get enough vitamin D3 every day is to take supplements. Supplements appear to be just as effective as sunlight and diet in increasing D3 levels, according to studies. Before you start using D3 supplements, talk to your doctor. Discuss the advantages and dose that is most appropriate for your requirements. When you're ready to begin taking a daily supplement, do your homework to identify high-quality options. Supplements are not regulated by the FDA. Look for the words USP verified on the packaging to identify reputable brands. That signifies the United States Pharmacopeal Convention has validated that the label's ingredients and potencies are correct. There are no pollutants in the product that are dangerous. The supplement will be absorbed by your body. The creators followed FDA procedures and requirements. Sunlight. When the sun's ultraviolet B rays strike your skin's specific vitamin D receptor cells, a chemical reaction occurs that produces vitamin D3. While getting some sunshine every day can help you keep your D3 levels up, it's not the safest or most consistent strategy to stay healthy. One cause for caution is that the sun's rays raise your cancer risk. Some doctors recommend 10 to 15 minutes of unprotected sun exposure a few times a week to maintain vitamin D3 levels, while the CDC and other medical authorities believe there is no safe way to receive vitamin D from the sun without risking skin cancer. The second issue is that it's difficult to rely on sunlight, and it's impossible to know how much vitamin D you're getting from it. It's less difficult to maintain track of vitamin D levels in foods and pills. So that's it for today. What do you think of our video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications before you go. Thank you so much for watching us.